Hey guys, in this video we're going to talk about how you can fix Snapchat temporarily disabled. But before we begin, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Alright, so let's get started. First of all, open the App Store or Play Store on your mobile device and make sure that Snapchat is updated to the latest version available. Now check if the problem is solved. If it isn't, long press on the Snapchat app tile and uninstall it. Then install it again to get a fresh version. Once done, open any type of browser, search for Snapchat support and open the official website. Now scroll down to the bottom and select Contact Us. After that, select I can't access my account. Then select My account is locked and then tap on this embed. Now you will be prompted to sign into your account. After signing in, you will see a feature called Unlock My Account. As I have already unlocked my account, that is why it is not showing here. After that, simply tap on it and you are done. That's how you can fix Snapchat temporarily disabled. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.